show that cosecant square theta minus tan square 90 minus theta is equal to sin square theta plus sin square 90 minus theta. LHS is equal to cosecant square theta minus tan square 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta minus tan square 90 minus theta is equal to sin square 90 minus theta divided by cos square 90 minus theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta minus sin square 90 minus theta is equal to cos square theta divided by cos square 90 minus theta is equal to sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta by sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta divided by sin square theta is equal to 1 is equal to, here 1 is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta plus sin square 90 minus theta is equal to cos square theta is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS.